Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In my previous video, I show you how to get free access to Sora 2, the OpenAI's newest AI videos generator that's been blowing up all over TikTok and YouTube. But if you haven't seen the video yet, just click the link in the description to watch it. But here's the problem. In every video that you make with Sora 2 will comes with a moving watermarks, and let's be honest, it totally ruins that professional look. So in today's video, I will show you how to remove the Sora 2 watermark completely for free. No paid tools, no signs up, and no quality loss. Okay, let's get started. First just open your browser and then search for Magic Eraser, and then just click this website link, this one, and after that just go to tool sections or menu, and then video tools, and then just choose Sora watermark remover, and then just upload your video. And okay, like this, just there you go, a clean watermark free Sora 2 video that looks like it was generated professionally from the start, and the watermark is totally gone, like this. And then if you want to download it, just tap on download button, and then your video is ready. And okay, that's it. It's super easy and completely free. Now your Sora 2 videos will look clean and ready to post anywhere, like on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube short. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.